Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2012 on a 12 plate Audi A1 S-Line. This is the very rare 2-litre turbo diesel with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Daytona Grey metallic, and it's covered just 43,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around to this very low mileage and, like I say, very rare Audi A1 2-litre turbo diesel S-Line. It's the only one I can find out there at the moment. That's not to say obviously that there are a few on the road, but I can't find any others advertised as we speak today. So a rare thing. July 2012 registered, just 43,000 miles, literally just ticked onto 43,000 miles. And it's had just the one private owner from brand new, so a one owner car. And it does come supplied with a full and comprehensive 10 stamp service history, so extremely well maintained throughout its life from just the one owner. Early service history, the first few years were carried out at Audi, and then more recently at an independent garage like ourselves. Looks fabulous in this Daytona Grey metallic, a lovely colour. We've got these nice 17-inch silver alloy wheels with matching Continental tyres all round. Properly maintained. It's the Sportback model, so you do get the 5 doors, so practical as they come for a small car like this. £20 a year to tax, that's all. So cheap to tax, 60 plus miles to the gallon on a combined run according to Audi as well. But with that 2-litre turbo diesel and 6-speed manual gearbox, it goes extremely well. 140 brake horsepower in obviously what's quite a small car, so it really is good to drive. We've got these half leather S-Line seats which are in really good shape. Remote central locking, it does come supplied with 2 remote keys. All the door cards in good condition. 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors. You've got S-Line embossed into all the doors. It's got its original carpet mats. Up onto the leather steering wheel, again in lovely condition. And you've got controls for your radio. You've got your trip computer controls. Again, S-Line embossed into the bottom there. And then down below we've got a manual handbrake. 6-speed manual gearbox, a couple of cup holders, some grippy storage behind for your phone or wallet, whatever. 12-volt socket, auxiliary, the phone's not picking it up, but auxiliary input in there. Air conditioning, of course. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks. And then up above you've got your screen at the top, start-stop facility, which of course you can switch off. And then we've got your car settings, we've got FM and AM radio, Bluetooth for your telephone, nice straightforward, easy setup. And you can use it off here as well, and a CD player to go with it. Nice straightforward German Audi setup. Into the rear, again you've got your carpet mats, electric windows in the back. 3 seat belts with 3 headrests. And of course the ISOFIX for child seats as well, so it is a comfortable 5-seater. Does look the part. And then into the boot space, split folding rear seats. You've got twin tailpipes as you can see, parcel shelf at the top, and then really not a bad sized boot space at all. Nice flat loading space as well. And this does lift up to give you some more storage if you need it. The battery is back there. You've got all your bits and bobs, locking wheel nut key, inflation kit and so on. So there we have it. July 2012 Audi A1 S-Line 2-litre turbo diesel with a 6-speed manual gearbox, just 43,000 miles from only the one owner, with a 10 stamp service history, £20 a year to tax. Finance is available from around £180 a month based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Lovely example. Won't be another locally, that's for sure. Drives really well. I'm sure it won't be here long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.